step over there. We've almost filled this yellow bin. Hooked up on this side. Secured here. All right, coming up slowly. You're clear. Keep it moving.
Along the busy industrial highway, our flatbed trucks carry the raw glass materials, soon to be transformed into...
Seems to be in order. Go right on through.
Where are the manifests? All right, let me check these. Looks good. You're all set. Go ahead.
This electromagnetic separator...
Ready now? Keep it moving. Confirm. Pressure at optimal levels.
Here at Forge and Flow, the journey of our crystal begins in the heart of the furnace, reaching temperatures over 1800 degrees.
Keep an eye on the feed rate, making sure it's steady. Looks good from here, the mixture is consistent.
Inside the furnace, temperatures reach 1500 degrees Celsius, transforming the raw batch into pure molten glass. We maintain a stable temperature here to ensure uniformity before the glass moves to the forming stage. The feeder precisely shears the molten glass, directing each glowing orb through the delivery chutes and into the awaiting molds below.
The temperature on Station 3 is holding steady.
Good, the cooling jets are calibrated correctly.
Moves onto the conveyor, beginning its journey through the annealing lehr.
That's the quality we want right there. Perfectly clear. Agreed. Layer settings are optimal.
The throughput on lane 3 is exceeding targets.
Yield remains steady at 99.8%.
The high-intensity LEDs reveal any flaws, and the system confirms a perfect pass, maintaining our high standards.
Confirm. Defective. Check the alignment on burner 3. Looks slightly low. Adjusting the gas flow now.
The packaging line ensures every Forge and Flow goblet is secured for transit.
Once fully formed and annealed, each goblet is carefully inspected and packed by our team here at the facility.
The sealing machine ensures every box is perfectly secured for transit.
At Forge and Flow, we ensure every goblet is perfectly protected, using industrial shrink wrap to secure the final bundles before warehousing.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.